these are quite famous here. This is a Korean bun in 3 flavors. One is a pesto Korean bun. The other one is a chili cheese bun, Korean bun. And one is a plain classic Korean bun. This is filled with cream, cheese and other flavors and quite a hit in the cafe. Then we have a pineapple upside down cake. This we've specially curated for Christmas time because it's a dry cake, not a lot of cream, no cream at all, and not too sweet. We've added jaggery also to it, so it's quite a hit here also. Then we have a lot of dry cakes. We do our own breads. Like this is a garlic loaf that we've done. These are different kind of focaccia breads that we have. Then we have a very interesting flavor. It's a blueberry bread that we've done. Someone who doesn't want to eat a lot of sugar can always try this one because it's a dry bread with no sugar and only blueberry flavor. Sure. So these are our brownies. The brownies are quite famous. This is a cheesecake brownie that we have. Then we have plain brownies here today. Otherwise, we also have a Biscoff brownie or Nutella brownie. Then we're coming on to the muffins. We have a blueberry ricotta cheese muffin, a walnut brownie, walnut and coffee muffin. Then we have chocolate Swiss rolls. If you can see here, we have different kind of cheesecakes. A raspberry cheesecake, Nutella and hazelnut cheesecake, blueberry cheesecake and Biscoff cheesecake. The croissant that we do is also savory and sweet both. This is a Biscoff croissant. This is a chocolate and almond croissant. Then we have a chocolate devil cake that is a chef's special cake with that.
New Year special क्या चीज़ है?
These are our coffee menu. If you want to see, this is the coffee that we do. If I tell you from here, this is a tiramisu cold coffee. It's quite famous. Not a very sweet coffee. Someone who wants less sweet coffee can always go for tiramisu cold coffee. Then we have a very interesting latte called honey rose latte, which have a pure rose flavor and it's topped with rose petals. Then it's a Biscoff heaven, which is topped with cream and Biscoff flavor. And then we have hot chocolate. Our hot chocolate is also quite famous here. We do different flavors like mint and pumpkin, mint and cinnamon. These are different flavors. The founder of Bean and Coffee Kitchen. Chicken and Coffee I launched in 2021. I came up with the idea of specialty coffee. I wanted to bring in new flavors in the coffee market. Along with that, I also wanted to curate a space where people can have a warmth of home food. So I built a menu, I curated a menu that is more homely with a lot of continental food like grilled chicken with mashed potatoes, then a lot of pizzas, pastas, Asian food. Dim sums is everyone's favorite, so we got that into a coffee shop, which made my cafe quite a favorite for the people in the same locality, and people were also coming from Gurgaon to have my coffee, which really gave my confidence a boost, and I expanded it into another location today. And here we all are at the new location.
What is the difference?
So my coffee beans are specially curated for my cafe. These are the beans that I've used since the beginning of my coffee business. These include, the beans are made of prune and almond flavor, and which is not available anywhere else, and this is a specially curated flavor for my particular cafe. I said we've created a neighborhood cafe and we wanted everyone to have some experience here. So my target audience starts from kids, because we also have Baby Chino as a coffee where kids can have a frothed milk. Along with that, it is also a pet friendly cafe, and middle-aged people plus the youngsters. Of course, youngsters are very keen on having coffee these days, and the coffee market is booming. It's a concept that I created. Expand it now in Gurgaon, Goa and Mumbai, and this is my expansion plan in the next coming year. I plan to first start in either Gurgaon or Goa. That's my target place now, the next target that I want to open my cafe at, because Goa is also a booming place for coffee enthusiasts. Please do not have an outdoor buffet. I am planning to have a small buffet layout here for Christmas, which will be here for almost 5 to 7 days, and we'll have different Christmas menu for that. It will be a specially curated menu for Christmas, like grilled chicken, grilled jerk chicken, or stuffed turkey, and a lot of cottage cheese steak and bakery stuff. काफ़ी सारे हॉट चॉकलेट्स कॉफ़ी इसमें हम वैरायटी लेके आ रहे हैं, जैसे पम्पकिन स्पाइस लाते हैं हमारा अपना, एंड वी मेक आवर ओन फ्लेवर्स. वी डू नॉट टेक पैकेज फ्लेवर्स. वी मेक आवर ओन फ्लेवर्स. दैट इज़ व्हाट makes my coffee stand out from the rest. Location है. We'll start that on Zomato and Swiggy. So in coffee we've got rose cappuccino, Biscoff latte, which is a Biscoff flavored latte. Then we have a very interesting flavor called popcorn latte, popcorn cappuccino, which has a caramel popcorn flavor in it. Then we also have tonics like sunrise tonic and espresso tonic. These are quite famous at Bean Coffee.